Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can leave any Canva team from your Canva account in 2024. This is the latest way how you can do it. So first of all, you need to go to your team, which team you are currently joined and you want to leave from that team. Then from here go to your profile icon and click on settings. So once you are here, you can see this is the team we have joined, Mr. Ahmed, this one. So we just need to go to click on team details. Then from here, you can see this option leave team. So if you want to leave this team from your account, you can just click on leave team and then click again to confirm on leave team. So that's it. In this way, you can leave any team from your Canva account. So I hope this video helped, and if you like it, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you guys on the next video.